Hello friends, here we go. Let's go ahead and start the show here. All right, so we're factoring trinomials. Okay, and so let's just take some notes. So when we want to factor a trinomial that's in the form x squared plus bx plus c, right, where b and c are integers, we want to find two other integers that have a sum of b and a product of c. Okay, then we write the trinomial as x plus m and x plus p. Okay, so let's take a look at some examples. Go ahead and pause it and give these ones a try. Okay, let's put up a bunch of examples for you. Okay, and just practice. A lot of you, I think, usually use that x method. Okay, and so pause it, give it a try. Here are your answers. Go ahead and check those. Pause it, check those. Okay, so now we want to talk about if there's a number other than 1 out in front of the square term, okay? And so as you can see, we want to look for a sum of b and a product of a times c. Okay, then we're going to write the middle term. We're going to break up the bx term as mx plus px. And we're going to factor by grouping, okay? And so let's see. Let's do a little example here. We're going to factor 5x squared minus 13x plus 6. So let's see, two numbers that multiply to give us 30, but when we add, we get negative 13. That's going to be a negative 10x and a minus 3x. So we're going to break up that middle term as a minus 10x minus 3x. Then we're going to factor by grouping. So that means we're going to take the front two terms and factor out what we can, and take the second, the third, and fourth term and factor out the negative 3 that they have in common. And then we take the 5x and the minus 3 that we were able to factor out, and we pull those out, and that becomes a parentheses, and then the x minus 2. And so there's your answer. Okay, so let's try a couple more examples. I'm going to put these up. Go ahead and pause it. Whoops. Pause it, and then check your answers. Some of these you can see over on the answer sheet. I went ahead and showed the work for. And let's go ahead and try these for our wee problem. Go ahead and pause it, give them a try, see if you can factor them. And let's take a look at the first one. So we've got our, right, multiplies to give us negative 2, but when we add, we get negative 1. The two numbers that work are negative 2 and 1. So we're going to break up the minus 1n to a minus 2n and a plus 1n. We're going to factor by grouping, and then the 2n and the 1 that we were able to factor out, those become a parentheses together, and then we pull out the n minus 1, factor it out. And here goes the second one with all the work shown. Okay, go ahead and pause it. All right, and then let's try the u-all problem. So here it is. Go ahead and pause it, give it a try. And I think the answer you should be getting is 4x minus 3 and 6x minus 1. All right, my friends, good luck, and get to the practice.